It's all good and well to say that electrons are particles, but how do we know there's an envelope of electromagnetic field containing energy of power, of electricity and magnetic fields from the electricity? How do we know that makes a particle? We can tell by the theory of particles and the force per area inside a gas chamber of electron charge. We can see that actually causes pressure against various diaphragms of photosensitive sensors, and we can determine how much charge there is and pressure and the mass per electron. It's easy to say that the particular molecules or gases, or more particularly that the material surfaces where the molecule collects itself into a lattice, is fixed in its size. The whole electron pairs are fixed in their size, and the mass of electron is constant in that way. It can determine the amount of charge in the envelope of the EM wave and how much mass there is in the particle created from that. The actual rotation of the hue of the flux of the magnetic field causes their phi to delta little phi, causes a rotation of Maxwell's field theory and Maxwell's theory of rotation of electromagnetic waves, a way of making a sphere similarly to planets, but on an energy and magnetic and mass basis of exactly that, slowing down the electron in such a rotation of phi, and that makes then a particle a traversement of electromagnetic wave in a conductor with electromagnetic force behind it, the momentum of travel, and obviously that is how electricity works in the way of particle physics really. But there is a charge of electricity on it, and energy can exchange. Silicon is something not very well known. Silicon has hole electron pairs, and the electrons fall into the holes and make a well, and like in flash memory of a USB, it keeps memory in there indefinitely in the silicon lattice of the silicon. The electrons and the charge around silicon hold a certain value in the pattern of electrons of ones and zeros, so the four levels of electrons in the silicon obviously are the different differentials of the valence bands of electrons, causes various levels of memory to be kept in a pattern of many millions, trillions of electron silicon atom collections. That's right, and that actually causes the memory to work. So actual flash memory works, and other memory with MOS gates and silicon oxide insulators as a method of transistor amplifying these similar electron hole pair gates of silicon substance and substrates.